Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the contrast on ELGATO Facecam Neo. So as you can see in the camera hub app, there is the picture tab and you'll find contrast, saturation and sharpness. You can see I'm a bit overexposed, but exposure is changed here, so that's for another video because there's a lot to explain about the exposure, though the contrast can be simply adjusted here. Now you can see it's sort of like washed out, and now there's too much contrast, so adjust it based on your needs, based on your lighting, based on your background, just something that is good for you. I think that like 70% will be good for me, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.